Google just introduced one of its biggest health projects ever, and it could completely change the way people track fitness, sleep, and overall wellness. The new app is called Google Health, and it is basically the next evolution of Fitbit combined with Google's artificial intelligence technology. Instead of using separate apps for workouts, sleep tracking, calories, heart rate, and medical records, Google wants everything inside one single platform. What makes this app different is the AI health coach powered by Gemini. The app can analyze your sleep, workouts, stress levels, recovery, and even medical data to give personalized recommendations that adapt to your lifestyle. For example, if you slept badly, the app might automatically reduce your workout intensity for the day. If your stress levels increase, it can suggest breathing exercises, recovery plans, or changes to your schedule. Google Health also connects with Fitbit devices, Pixel Watch, smart scales, glucose monitors, and even third-party fitness apps. The goal is to create one complete view of your health instead of spreading your data across different platforms. Another major feature is medical record integration. Users can upload health records and receive simplified explanations powered by AI. That means people who normally struggle to understand medical reports could finally get easier insights about their health. The app also focuses heavily on sleep tracking and recovery. Google says the AI coach can help users understand sleep patterns, energy levels, and long-term wellness habits instead of only counting steps or calories. Of course, privacy is one of the biggest concerns. Google says health data will stay encrypted and will not be used for advertising. Still, many users online remain skeptical because of Google's history with user data and the growing role of AI in personal health tracking. The internet reaction has been mixed. Some people believe Google Health could become the ultimate fitness and wellness app. Others think removing classic Fitbit features and replacing them with AI subscriptions might upset longtime users. Google Health will officially replace the Fitbit app for many users, and the company is clearly trying to compete directly with Apple Health and other major wellness ecosystems. Personally, I think Google Health looks extremely powerful, especially because of the AI coaching features and the ability to connect everything in one place. But at the same time, trusting one company with so much personal health data is something many people will think carefully about before using the app daily.